Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your hair in the Photoleap. So it's really easy, let's get right into it. The first step is just to open the app library and just go ahead and tap on your search button and find the app Photoleap. It's right over here. So once you're on the app, you just need to tap on this button. So once you've selected your photo that you want to edit, click on that one. Due to security reasons, the app can show the photos I'm about to edit, but once you picked your photo, you can find the button that edits the hair. Just scroll it till you find this option. Just go and tap there now. You can either choose to change it to more blonde or you can change it to jet black like this. You can use the slider to scroll right to make it more blonde and left to make it more jet black or darker. And in that way, you would successfully be able to change your hair color. And that's how to change your color using the app Photoleap. If you have any questions, leave the comments below. Thank you for watching.